Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Hakka people living in Changhua's Jutan Township in Erlin Town mostly hail from Hsinchu and Miaoli. When traveling in Jutan and Erlin, visit the historic Hakka Xingling Temple and the Deer World Farm. Jutan is known for growing good quality grapes and winemaking. So if you're in the area, check out the vineyards, pick grapes, and pay a visit to local wine cellars.
南彰化竹塘乡及二林镇的客家人大多是从新竹苗栗移居过来的。由竹塘及二林可走访客家历史建筑醒灵宫、鹿世界观光牧场，这里还盛产葡萄，可以预约采果或是参观当地的红酒酒庄。
Hey everyone, it's time for Talk About Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And you know what? Today we're going to take you to a place that has a lot of culture. And when you go to a lot of these towns, you want to experience the religion, the culture, the temples, if you will. And this place is known as 竹塘 in 彰化 County. 在这个彰化县的竹塘这边呢，很好玩。听说有一个宫呢，大家都会去拜访一下哦，就是醒灵宫。是不是？
錯啊！這片主要就會供奉一個恩主公。
恩主公啊，對，很多人都要拜恩主公。恩主公其實就是關公啊，對不對？
對啊，就是他的忠義精神啊，讓大家很佩服。
There's a lot of different temples out there, and this one particularly worships 關公。It's called 醒靈宮。
向靈宮
Okay, that's in Hakka. Now, aside from going to the temples, when you go to Jutang, you also want to check out their fruit farms. 那边呢，听说你也有很多果園可以去參觀。
錯啊，條白二林這片主要可以種禾的，就是種稻米。
哦，稻米為主。
對。
OK。
最近一幾年就開始有種葡萄。
葡萄。So this place is known for its rice, but nowadays it's also known for its grapes. 对，我听说这边葡萄不错，所以呢，很多就做成红酒了，对不对？
錯啊。
With all these grapes, they have a lot of wineries over there, and they produce really nice red wine 啊。所以到那边呢，不妨就喝幾杯紅酒了。可是問題，如果開車的話，就不能喝了哈。
錯啊！故事我就搞太假，四菜莫飲酒。
對我們客家話從來沒有教過開車不喝酒，對不對？
對啊。
Okay, this is don't drink and drive in Hakka. This is really cool. We never taught this before. Say it one more time. Don't drink and drive.
四菜莫飲酒。
四菜莫飲酒. Remember that, and that is a must. All right. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼太假？
俺自say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.